Welcome back. My name is Sandra and I am the Arthritic Artisan, and instead of a huge intro, I thought I would jump straight into this haul. This is the first time I've seen these at Dollar Tree. It's the smaller wreaths. It's a 2-pack. I have some ideas for this. I've never seen these before. They're acrylic bowls, and it's a 2-pack of acrylic bowls. And you know us crafters, when we look at something, we see something completely other than what it actually is. I found this table decoration for 4th of July. It's a 2-piece star, and you put it together and it becomes a table centerpiece, but I'm thinking I'm going to use these stars separately on their own. I found this Luau hula skirt, and I got it not to use as a hula skirt, but because raffia is so expensive. So yeah, I'm just gonna use it for the raffia. I also found this tassel garland for our patriotic holidays, and I took it out, and this is what it looks like. And I already have an idea what I want to do with this, and I'm going to show you guys in a future video, so stay tuned to watch that. And I don't know why they had this over by the plates and drinking glasses, but I found this really cute wash, fold, dry, repeat removable wall sticker. I can tell you right now, when I get done with it, it's not going to be removable. They have this 24-pack of shot glasses, and what I like about them is that it's smooth all the way down the side. There's not one of those bumps at the bottom of the shot glass like you typically find in plastic drinkware. Then I found some of this really pretty sparkle mesh. I couldn't find it during St. Patrick's Day, but now that the season's over, I finally found some mesh. This is such a heavy, thick, super heavy duty bowl. And I got one because I really like doing a lot of projects with Dollar Tree's glassware, but super, super heavy duty mini mixing bowl. They never have these either for me. I've been looking for them for, oh my goodness, who knows how long, and I finally found one. And now that I finally found it, I have forgotten what projects I wanted to do with it. So hopefully one of these days my memory will come back to me and I will do a craft with this. I go through garden gloves like nobody's business. I have a 400 square foot suburban backyard vegetable garden, and yeah, I really tear up my gloves a lot. And if I don't tear up my gloves, then the dogs think that they're chew toys and they tear them up. And look at the stickers I found. I'm so super excited about these. These are really cool. I am so excited to use these. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to use them on because I only got, I think, 2 packs of this kind, and I've got like 50 ideas in my head, so I've got to be careful. Then they had this seaside, let me put something under it so you can see them. It's seagulls and ships, and a ship's helm, and a lounge chair for the beach. I thought these would be fun to use on something. And then they have these deer head and birds, and this is one I really love, but I could only find one of them. And then look at these puffy balloons. Are they not gorgeous? These don't even look like stickers from where I'm sitting. They just really don't. And I thought that these were sweet looking. And it has enjoy, simply life, special, and good times. They have this 2-pack of squeeze applicators, and these bottles are actually really, really good. Let me show you what I do with them. I take my chalk paint, and I like to keep my chalk paints in them, and then that way I can just squeeze out a little bit that I need instead of having to open up the whole jar. And I don't know, with my arthritis, I have the hardest time getting those lids on and off, so this is what I use these for. Also for glue, I keep glue in them, and that way it's a lot easier to get out, and I don't have to worry about it leaking. E6000, I go through a lot of E6000, so I'll squirt a tube down in one of these. I picked up some more birdhouses while I was there. I don't know what it is, but either they have 1,000 of them or they have none of them. So I get them when I can find them. I have searched far and wide for these cookie sheets at Dollar Trees. I can never find them. Everybody that I watch on YouTube has really good ideas about how to use them. Speaking of people that have really good ideas, go check out Laura's craft room. I'm going to put a link to her channel in the description box below. She has to be by far one of the sweetest people that I have met on YouTube. Say hi to Laura and go check out her channel. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers yet, but hey, every one of you, that's why we're here. If we only had one subscriber, you're the one that we're here for. And I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers. Here are some of the really pretty flowers that they have out for summertime. I need a 12-step program for picking up artificial flowers. Every time I see them, and you should see my stash of florals. If you saw it, you'd be knocking on my door trying to shop here because I have so many of them. But you know, we're going to be doing some crafts and DIYs and giving you some ideas on how to use these. In one of my hauls earlier or last month, I got one of these 3-sectioned trays. And let me show you what I did with that. Look, it fits perfectly on my pegboard, organizing board. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. See the hook right in there? Yeah, the little pegs fit perfectly in these little grooves. And I can just keep my ribbon or whatever else I need in little compartments right at my fingertips. All right, so what do you think? I found these solar-powered hummingbird lights. Look how cute that is with the flower. It was adorable. I picked up a handful of them. Then I found this wood arrow, and I thought, it being the holidays coming up, I don't know, I could turn this into a rocket or put something on the side. And then of course I had to pick up some more of my owls. And if you haven't seen what I do with these, I have a video on what you can do with these owls. One idea, you can do anything you want with it, but yeah, go watch that video. They're really super cute. They have these ice cream bowls. There's 4 of them, and these little spoons. And when I say little, I mean tiny. But I'm thinking craft, not ice cream, because ice cream has to go in a much bigger cup. And if you don't know about that, I have a video with my extra large mug that was given to me by my favorite kid. And yeah, that's what I like to use for ice cream. So Dollar Tree has this 4-pack of glass bowls. Look how nice these are. And they're thick. These are great for sauces and whatnot. They only had 1 pack of these when I was there. Otherwise, I would have gotten service for 16. And that would have been great to keep gravy or condiments in at Sunday suppers. Now, I would love to show you the rest of the stuff that I got at Dollar Tree, but me being who I am, left a couple of bags behind at the Dollar Tree, and they know me so well, they called me and said, you left your bags here. So I'm gonna have to go back to Dollar Tree and get that. I'm going to show you a couple items that I found at Hobby Lobby. In their woodpile section, they've got this 135 piece set of wood cutout stars, and there's 3 different sizes. And it was $3 for the pack, but 135 stars for $3, that's quite a bit. Then in the kids arts and crafts section, they've got Playside Creations, and these are always 50% off. So I actually paid $2.49 for this. It's 40 count of assorted wood shapes. You're not gonna find a better deal than that. I do not believe that you will. And there are You can turn this shape into a chalkboard sign, hearts, flowers, stars. Playside Creation also has this 12 count of foam star cutouts, and that was $1.15. And then they have all kinds of foam stickers and shapes. This is 130 stickers in here. There's hearts and stars and flowers, and they're glitter, but you can paint them. And so yeah, go check out the kids craft section the next time that you're at a Hobby Lobby. I also wanted to show you these buffalo check and burlap ribbons that I found on Amazon. This stuff is really thick. It's really nice. I wasn't sure that I wanted to pay that kind of price for the ribbon, but it is so, it's really high quality ribbon. I just love it. So I will put the link to this down in the description box below. I also have different colored burlap ribbons that I got online at burlap.com. I do not get paid for mentioning their name, but it's really nice. It's really nice ribbon. Now, since I left a couple of my bags at Dollar Tree and they had to call me to come pick them up, I have nothing left to show you, and I would show you the rest of my finds because I think some of the really good stuff was in those bags. And I will bid you adieu and say, until next time, have a magical day.